This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about cake combs, specifically these pastry tech decorating combs. And they come in a couple of different styles and sizes, and there's actually over 10 available. And we have a few different ones out here to show you. There is the double-sided square, which you can see allows you to create two different sizes of ridges. And it's 19 3/4 inch in length, which is a great big size, especially for bakeries or individuals that are looking to do large cakes, like half and full sheet cakes. There's also the semicircle, which is the same length, and as you can see, has two sides of semicircle shaped ridges there to give you a lovely kind of scalloped ridged effect. Then we have the 3 pattern. It's a triangle shaped comb. You can see this is going to be great for smaller cakes or making multiple passes on larger cakes. And it has 3 different patterns, one on each side, making it a really lovely, versatile tool. And then we have the 5 pattern. This one is more of a rectangle shape. And you can see we've got some scallops, some waves, some little triangle sections, and some more little scalloped little ridges there as well to create a variety of different patterns. So these little cake combs are a great tool to help you finish up your cakes by creating patterns and texture, whether that's on the side or the top. The large ones can handle cakes large and small and can do really big sizes, which is a fantastic quick way to finish large sheet cakes. The small ones are great for the sides of cakes, doing the tops of smaller cakes, or even doing more intricate patterns where you take multiple passes over the top of a large cake. And you can do things like pull straight, do waves, zigzags to create a multitude of effects with even the same combs. So having a nice set of these on hand as a busy production bakery is going to be a fantastic thing. These don't require a lot of training to use, meaning that you can easily and quickly create intricate designs on your cakes to wow your customers without needing employees to have a lot of skill or invest a lot of time in training. So they're really fantastic tools. They're made of high quality, scratch resistant stainless steel, meaning they'll last a long time. And it is recommended that you hand wash these items. So these are going to be fantastic for beginners and pros, and they're going to create a variety of colorful designs and patterns on cakes, but you can also use them for other things. I've used especially some of the small ones for creating colored patterns on acetate strips to go on the sides of cakes, or even creating colored patterns in sponges when I'm going to bake something like a charlotte and I want to cut strips of sponge and you want to kind of put some color in there. You can also use these to create patterns in other places besides just in frosting on the finished cake. So they end up being a really versatile tool, and they're perfect for both professionals that are working in a commercial environment, whether that's a pastry shop, a bakery, or a cake shop, and even for just amateurs who are looking to do some stuff at home. So if you're a cake enthusiast yourself, these are a great investment, or if you've got one in your life, these make a really fantastic and fun gift.